Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. Got this mould. I got this from Temu. I've never used it. It's like a water effect, I think. So, nice tray. Well, I'm hoping it's a nice tray. I'm going to use it today with some Let's Resin alcohol inks. And I'm going to do like a sea themed. But I've cut out some vinyls to put on the top. Or in it. I've not decided yet. And I've got some of these things. They're like leftover resin that I've just put it in little moulds. I've had these for quite some time. Might not. I don't want to do a beach theme. It's just water ripple. So I don't know whether to put one of them in. Right. I'm going to be using Tea Expert resin today. And I'm going to get some mixed up. I've got 3 of the Let's Resin alcohol inks. I've got Midnight Blue, Joua Blue and Cerulean. And I'm just going to drip them on. So I'm going to start with the Cerulean first. And I'm going to do it across like that, in like a diagonal. Bit down there. Don't forget the... Oh, I did get it down there. Right, the Joua Blue, that's a lovely colour, isn't it? Oh, too much, don't forget down there. I'm hoping it doesn't stain the mould, but we shall see. Might need a bit more than that. Midnight Blue, never used this one before. Oh, as you can tell, it's not even opened. I did have a pin. Let's stick a pin in. There we go. Oh yeah, that's quite dark, isn't it? Nice simple project this for a beginner. Put a bit of dark down there. And we'll put a bit of the Azure. Is that the lightest one? No. Cerulean. We'll mix it in, shall we? There we go. Like I say, might need a bit more. I've mixed up 200 mils of resin and I've put a bit of Angel Whispers glitter in it. And all I want to do is just pour it over the alcohol ink drips. I'll start with the lightest. Let's see if we get a good mix. And hopefully it'll drip down the sides once it's... That looks nice already, doesn't it? Oh, that's plenty of resin. Don't want too much colour. And ever so slightly domed, for the simple reason I don't want to be doing too much trimming because I'm lazy. I'm going to put this on a heat mat. There we go. Spray a bit of isopropyl alcohol on it. I've got to say, don't worry too much about this resin, the Tea Expert. It tends to always come out pretty clear. I don't really have to worry about it. And now that I've said that, there'll probably be loads of air bubbles. I was going to pop a bit more on the top, but I actually think that's plenty. I just want it really wispy. So, I'm going to pop that on a heat mat and I will be back for demold. And I'll show you the decals I've made. Bye for now. I've got some decals here I've cut out on my Cricut of fishes. And I've cut them. Sorry, I didn't mean that. I haven't cut them. The Cricut cut them. I'm just going to weed them out, but I've realised that the top of the tray, when I demold it, is textured, and I don't want to be putting a top coat on, which is a bit of a problem. I don't think that will look very pretty if I put them in now. So there was a technique that Claire from Claire's Crafty Corners showed us the other week. I've put in UV resin over the top of them, so I thought I'd give it a go. I'd forgotten about it actually till just this minute. Let's see if I can get all these fishes out. Some of them are not coming out. Anybody with a Cricut will know how frustrating this part is. There we go. Little schools of fishes. So what Claire showed us was, I'm using J Diction's UV resin. She just put a bit over the top. That should be enough. That should be plenty really. And she smoothed it over. Like that. Thought it was brilliant actually. Brilliant idea. And then put it under the lamp, which is what I'm going to do now. I've peeled them off. They look pretty cool. I've put, because they were still sticky on the back, I've put alcohol on the back. And all I'm going to do is spray them completely with alcohol and pop them in. Make sure they're submerged. You might not see them, you might see them, but at least they're there. There we go. Lovely. Now they won't float up. Thanks, Claire. Right, I will be back on demold. Right, it's been about 5 hours. It's ready to come out of the mould. I can't wait to see it. Can't wait to see if you can see them fish. I've been looking forward to this. If you do have a look on Temu for this mould, it comes in square like this one. It comes in a rectangle, and it comes in 2 sides of a circle one. I am tempted to buy the other shapes if this one comes out very nice. Always remember to put your moulds back. We don't want to be ruining them, do we? Right, you ready? I'm ready. Oh, it's pretty. You can only just see the fish, which is cool. I don't mind that at all. That is really pretty. Let me get some white card or something white to put it on. Got a roll of transfer tape here. Oh my, that is lovely. That's really nice. Now, if it's backed in white, you can't see the fishes really. Fishes. I'm so used to talking to my grandson. You can't see the fish. You can only see it on the black background, but you can't see the beautiful blues either. Oh, I don't know what to do. Whether I should back it in white or back it in black or maybe blue. That's really nice. I'm sorry, I'm just admiring it. I'm forgetting where I am. There's the sides. Wow, that's lovely. Yeah. I am wondering what that's going to look like in Aquacast. Obviously not shiny. And I think I kind of like it in black with a black background. Anyway, I will not back it in any form yet. But I will ask you, what do you think? Black so you can see the fish, or white so you can see the blue? And then whatever you decide, well, the majority of the comments, I will post a picture of it on our community post. That's lovely. Right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've really enjoyed making it. A very short video, but good for beginners, this, to make something awesome. Yeah, what a lovely mould. I'll link the mould as well in the description box below. And thanks ever so much for watching, everyone. I do appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.